Okay, guys. Now we move to an image enhancement techniques. So if you have an image with a less contrast, like this image, and you wanted to increase your contrast, you go on your editor in your mobile, you increase the contrast, and along with this, you have a one more function, auto fix. So if you put the auto fix function, then it will get your image automatically fixed. Yeah. Sir, for us to do, we have to convert to a grayscale? Yeah, for thresholding, you have to convert it to a grayscale. Okay. Okay. So we have a autofix feature, so which we can implement in our OpenCV as well. OpenCV has quite a lot of applications in our real world. So what basically it does, it's a histogram equalization. It will equalize your histogram. So this is the image histogram of a image which have a less contrast, and this is the image which have a high contrast. So you guys need to remember this. If you have a narrow region in between your image histogram only, and you are not having something in right and left, then it will corresponding to a low contrast image. And if your histogram is byte separated, then this will be a high contrast image. So this is what histogram equalization do. Basically, this is the histogram of this image. You can see it has a narrow band here. Here you can see it do not cover all the value from 0 to 250 255. So what you will apply the histogram, and this is after you will get. So after applying your simple histogram equalization using equalize hist function, so this will be the histogram which you will get, and corresponding to this you will get this image. So here you can see this is how we implement it. Guys, see, everything is connected. We have read the image using IMRead. We covered it. We will use IMSO to show the image. We covered it. We will convert the image in a grayscale. We also covered it, and then we will equalize the histogram by using cv.equalize hist, and we will output the image, and this is the image looks like using we also say it as a global equalization. Okay. Now moving back, we have a Clay. This technique is very famous for histogram equalization. This is the adaptive histogram equalization, in which we are basically dividing the image in different window. So here we are basically using a tile size of 8x8 by default. So you divide this image by using 8x8 tiles, and then you will calculate the histogram for this corresponding thing. The function will calculate, you don't have to do this. So it will calculate the histogram and will equalize it accordingly. So this is basically an adaptive thing. So the result looks far better than the global equalization, you can see, because since it's a adaptive, the time complexity of it will be greater as compared to global histogram, but it will give you a better result. And the thing is, it can be applied on grayscale as well as color scale, color images. So that's the thing. Sir, can we use histogram on medical? Yes, that's the application of it. We use histogram in a medical image. We use the Clay techniques in a medical image too. Suppose you are working on an X-ray. Have you guys ever heard of the thing that pneumonia detection using deep learning models using the X-ray of the person? So here sometimes we do not have a good images, so we do need to increase the contrast. We do need to do the image enhancement. So how we do it? We use the image enhancement technique. Along with it, we also use the Osthus binarization and thresholding techniques, because we wanted to segment. Suppose you have a X-ray of your the lower part, and you wanted to segment your lungs because you are working on a pneumonia detection. So thresholding will work there. So guys, computer vision has a vast application. Okay, and we can have a computer vision application in every field. Okay, moving further. Okay, we have a quick question. So what we have covered? We have covered the image enhancement and the thresholding. So which of the following techniques are based on image histogram? Okay, guys, answer me. I'm seeing the chat box. Two. Okay, guys, take your time. I can't see the right answer yet. There can be a multiple answer, guys. Think about it. Yes, it's first and second. It's the correct answer.